Do you know how many people in Singapore have mobility issues? According to the Census 2020, an estimated 6% of the population faces difficulties when moving around public spaces. For example, persons with visual impairment struggle to navigate independently. This becomes challenging in the workplace. He is now asking the way to the toilet. How can we empower them to be more independent without relying on frequent assistance? While tactile paving can aid persons with visual impairment, it can sometimes pose as a barrier for wheelchair users, elderly people, and others. Moreover, indoor spaces often lack tactile due to the challenges associated with construction and relocation. Hodokun is a guideway rubber mat with a universal design that addresses these issues for people from different walks of life. With Hodokun, persons with visual impairment can reach their destinations independently. Also, in the workplace, a person with a visual impairment can move around autonomously without constant assistance. Hodokun represents a universal design approach, allowing wheelchair users or any other people to cross seamlessly. Hodokun offers easy setup and flexible replacement options. Compared to current solutions, Hodokun excels in its ease of setup, reusability, and ability to eliminate barriers for all users. Moreover, it ensures slip resistance, prioritizing safety in its design. Its color variation creates contrast on floors for people with low vision. The current tactile offers great durability and suitability for Singapore's rainy climate. However, installing them in indoor settings can pose a challenge. To create an inclusive environment where persons with visual impairment can work independently indoors, especially in the workplace, Hodokun proves highly effective due to its easy setup, flexible relocation, and reduced barriers for other users. With Hodokun, persons with visual impairment can become more independent. Hodokun holds advantages for businesses. Embrace inclusive hiring. Serve diverse customers. Build an inclusive society together. For more information, please scan the provided QR code.